Hello everybody, today this is going to be a quick tutorial of Supernova Digital Arts. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get SoundForge Audio Studio 9. Okay, so you're going to want to go to your internet browser and then go to Google. And then type in Sony Creative Software. Sony Creative Software. And as I said in my last tutorial, you just want to click the first link. Go up to Downloads, Trials and Demos, and go down to SoundForge, and then click SoundForge Audio Studio, and you just want to press download. And it won't take that long to download. I'll be back with you guys when it's done downloading. Okay, my audio studio is done downloading, so I'm just going to want to open up the installing wizard. Okay, and you just want to click next, wait for the files to extract. Okay, now next, I've read the end user license agreement. Next, install shortcut to desktop. Okay, now it will take several minutes, and the everything that's in the program is going to install. Okay, so now mostly when you're done, you just want to click finish. And I provided a link in the description for a key generator, Digital Insanity. And if you're a Vista user, this is very important, again, that you will have to run this key generator as an administrator or it will not work. Okay. And now you're just going to scan through until you find SoundForge Audio Studio 9 series. Press generate a couple times. Attach, and now go to your main hard drive, find program files, and now look for your Sony folder. Oh, whoops. And click on SoundForge Audio Studio 9. Okay. Okay, now it's been patched successfully. Now you don't want to close it yet. You're gonna want to open this. Copy and paste the serial number. Next, and you want to click register online. Whole bunch of information in here, and unless you want Sony to send you updates, then you can click the top one, but you need to click the bottom one or it won't let you continue. Now let's click finish. And as usual with any Sony product, when you do this, you'll say there's an error, so just click retry like 3 times. Then cancel, and then copy and paste your authentication code. And there you go, you have SoundForge Audio Studio 9. Thank you for watching my video. I'll be posting another one fairly soon. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.